What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. Yeah, I'm actually on my way to work. I have something I wanted to share with you guys because I hit on some sneakers, some limiteds, and I'm actually gonna sell them to one of my boys at work for real cheap, for a very, very, very small profit. And yeah, I thought I'd share that with you guys because yeah, why not? That's what we do here. All right, so we got the package here. Apparently I haven't even opened it up. What the hell? Not even opened it up. Sorry about the bootlegness of this video, but yeah, I definitely did not get a time to review these shoes. I wanted to do a formal review, but yeah, apparently I've been busy as hell and I haven't been able to get a formal review. He does want these sneakers, so I'll give it to him. Especially for a real good price, since he is my boy, and you know he's the one who I didn't even know these were dropping. He sent me a text message saying, "Hey, these are dropping," you know. So I wouldn't have even got them without him. So you know, I'll give it up for a very, 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 very small profit, you know. But yeah, guys, we got the Yeezy Boost 380s. Huh? What do you think, you guys? What do you think about these? Yeah, so sorry, I'm kind of doing this in my review. Like I said, it's kind of bootleg, but what do you guys think? A brand new silhouette. This is a first silhouette, first new Yeezy silhouette in quite some time. So, what do you guys think about these, huh? What do you think? I know some people, you know, are all about the hype, so they want it just because it's one of the newer silhouettes. But yeah, that's kind of why I'm letting these go, because you know, I have not been a huge Yeezy fan. They're not bad, you guys. They're not bad. I don't know. They are kind of an evolution of the 350s. So I can see why it's a 380 instead of like a 500, like a brand new number, brand new 100 series or whatever. But yeah, these bad boys are going for what? Close to 500. I paid $230 for these. They're going for about 500. Yeah, I'm thinking of letting go for like, I don't know, like a $80 profit, $90 profit. I don't know. So yeah, I'll talk to my boy at work, you know, see what's up. Let me know what you think I should do with these sneakers, you guys. Let me know what you guys think I should do. I think I'm gonna let him go to my boy for on the cheap, you know, with the heavy homie discount. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. In my eyes, you know, I think one of the most important things about the sneaker game is networking and some of your homies, some of your friends, some of the people that could help you out in the future. So, you know, yeah, I could make a quick profit off of these, but you know, my boy Marco has been real helpful with educating me about the sneaker game and about letting me know when drops come out and that type of stuff. And you know, I think he deserves a little something. So that's why I'm gonna let these go on the cheap. So yeah, yeah, just remember that. And if you guys want to get limited sneakers, stuff like that, having a team of people that work with you is always really, really good. So yeah, you wanna take care of your people, because you never know when your boys are gonna be able to hook you up with something. So yeah, keep that in mind. That is kind of weird, man. There's no invoice. There's nothing. I guess that's like the only invoice. But this is a shit that they be faking though, right? This is what the hell? That is weird that there's no invoice. Tripping out, man. Crazy. I did forget, you guys. I did hit these on Yeezy Supply. Apparently, Yeezy Supply does not provide an invoice, receipt, or anything. So I guess you just get that email. That's it. Let them go for 300. Barely made any profit, but like I said, it's just to help one of my boys out, not necessarily to make money. But yeah. What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. Yeah, we're back at the Santa Clarita Clearance Center. I was actually here yesterday, but I forgot to return this, number one. Then number two, man, they just got crazy deals. So like, you have to come here frequently. So yeah, this might be a short video because I'm not gonna sit here and show all the exact same stuff as like yesterday. So I'm just gonna see if there's a bunch of heat, and yeah, we're gonna keep it moving. Gonna keep this one moving, you guys. Still got that 30% off. I see the sign from here. Let's go see what's up, you guys. All right, just made the return. I just saw someone with the Parent Saint Germain Jordan 1, so I'm hoping I can find that in my size. Excuse me. Yeah, let's see if I can find those, man. He got those 11.5 though. I don't see anything. I don't see anything. I don't see. Is this a new? Oh no, I've seen these 312s go for 90 bucks. Got the resellers. Hard at work. Hard at work. That's why it's hard to find stuff here. I don't think I covered that much of the Air Maxes in the size 10s last time. These are Air Max Essential going for what, 95? Decent colorway. Decent colorway, not bad. Get that 30% off. Oh, this is one of the newest colorways I've seen for the ACG React Terra Gobes. These go for 80 bucks, 30% off. These are new to this outlet. That's why these are going for what, 60, right? Now this colorway's been here, so it's going for 60. The longer they have stuff, the cheaper it gets, pretty much. This is 35. It's going for 75 bucks. That seems high, dude. Maybe that's new to this outlet. Plenty of Metcons, 80 bucks. And that's the most 720 volts I've ever seen. Yeah, oh my goodness. I've been complaining about seeing them here. It's the most I've ever seen. They must have got a huge shipment. I haven't seen as many of these clots. Oh, this one meant 7. But yeah, these go for 120. I guess a lot of them are sold last couple days. Damn. A lot of people have been picking those up because I don't see as many today. I think everybody likes the tailwinds, right? Tailwinds go for 95, 30% off. Let's see. The daybreaks? These daybreaks go for 60 bucks, man. 60 bucks. 30% on top of that. Wow. That's crazy. Still in the 10s. Air Max Plus go for what? 95? 95. A little bit high, dude. Then you got some Why Not 0.1s. Westbrook, first generation, going for 65, man. You get 30% off on top of that. Your weight balling shoes, not bad. The Reacts were here yesterday, still here today, going for Jordan 1 Reacts, going for what, 170, go for retail. Get that 30% off. Another colorway of the 0.1s. I think these have been here for a while. Still here. Black History Month 2s, man. This thing goes out to like 50 bucks. Not gonna sell. There's some Air Max 94s, 70 bucks. Not bad. 30% off. We are in the size 11s now. 0.1s. More Why Not 0.1s, all white. These actually look pretty clean. It's just like 65 bucks, $65. Super bright 0.1s. Super bright peach going for what, 65? 30% off on top of that. Never seen these here. CP3 11s. And man, the CP line is just, man, they're totally giving up on that CP3 line because these are terrible. These are terrible. I don't know when this was made, but yeah, some CP3s if that's your style, you guys. So 60 bucks? 60 bucks, 30% off. It's a zoo here, you guys. It's Black Friday action about to get started because there's really not much. I haven't even covered much of the Air Max because there isn't any. There literally is not much, you guys. So, one size 11s. What is this? A Prime Hype? Prime Hype DF 2016. I've never even seen these. Some old school basketball. MSRP is only 90 bucks. It doesn't look like it's a super high end, but never seen those before. 50 bucks, 30% off. More Why Not 0.1s, man. 70 bucks, so cheap. Not bad, not bad. Some Janowski slip mids, premiums. I don't know, I don't know who's trying to buy these. Who is trying to buy these? Dang, I know they got so many Janowskis, but yeah, those are kind of hideous. I don't know. Let me know. Is that just me? 45 bucks, dude. Get 30% off on top of that, man. Brings it down to like 30 bucks or something. So I'm looking around. Huh? Come on. Look at the worker here. He's wearing, sporting some Shadow Backboard 3.0. He told me he hit. That's awesome. Hit on the sneakers app. That's awesome. Looking in the size 12. Not much, you guys. Not much. They got these up tempos. Saw these yesterday. 80 bucks, 30% off. More clots. Like I said, I haven't seen too many of these today. I saw a bunch yesterday, so lock got bought up. 120 for those. I haven't even seen the other colorway. There's a white, red, and blue one. Haven't seen those at all. Yeah. They all sold out, I guess. I'm in the size 13. So there's really not much. Air Force canvas, 65. That brings it under like 41 or something after 30% off. The Bigfooters, size 13. Got the Daybreaks, going for 60 bucks. Pegasus 35 Trails, 70 bucks. Pretty bright. Get that 30% off. Racers, 88 Racers, going for 55. So that brings that down to, what, like 40 bucks? Pegasus Turbos, kind of expensive, 130. We've seen those for way cheaper. Don't forget to like this video, guys, and if you're new, make sure you please make sure you subscribe. Press that notification button because I drop videos every day, you guys. Pretty much drop a video every day. So yeah, I try to get plenty of content for you guys. Let's continue on. I got plenty of heat in the huge size. I'm not gonna cover all of them. I don't think I talked about this one yesterday. Jordan Retro 5 Knicks colorway, size 18, go for 110, 30% off. Haven't seen this, size 16 for the Jordan 5 Retro, the Pure Platinum. Haven't seen these here. That's interesting. I'm gonna check out stuff that I normally don't check out because yeah, there's just literally not much in the sneakers because yeah, it's just crazy. And those resellers, you saw those resellers just posted that those fools are posted there for like half the day. Yeah, they got the strangest things, caps, snapback. Let's see what these going for. 15 bucks. 15 bucks. They probably go for like 25 bucks. Golden State beanie. Did everybody jump off the bandwagon? So no more Golden State fans? How's that work? I don't know. 13 bucks. Nah, man, this Portland hand feels cheap. 18 bucks. That hat feels super cheap. Got this Jordan snapback. Someone took the price off. Bastards. Looks pretty cool though. Pretty dope. See, this is what I'm talking about. It's a zoo here. And look at those resellers. They're literally posted here all day. Literally pulling the 9 to 5 shift today. Alright, still not much. Got these Air Max 95s, going for what? 100 bucks, 30% off. These Air Max Deluxe, now these been overpriced like crazy. 105. These have been here for a while. The Air Max 97s. Did they go down in price? Maybe 80 bucks, 30% off. The Vomero price is still going down. 80 bucks, 30% off. On the size 9s, man, they need to stop doing it with these gold boxes, man. They're tricking the hell out of me. Keep thinking they're like some Chinese New Year Jordan 12s or something, man. So some golf cleats. You're on the golf, 90 bucks, 30% off. These Proto Max 720s, these have been here, 105. Cool colorway though, not bad. These 720s, cream colorway, these have finally gone down in price. 105, 30 off. Not much today, guys. Not much. In the 8.5s now, 8.5s. 95s. Air Max 95s. Yeah, go for $95. Oh, nice. Interesting color. I've never seen this colorway. 95 bucks, 30% off. Alright, these have been here for a while. These ACG Aquans. Aquan 2, 65 bucks. You get that 30 on top of that, not bad. Did we see this colorway earlier? I don't think we did. The forest green or something? It's outdoor green, 95 bucks. Air Max 95. We saw these yesterday. Kind of whatever. 100 bucks. Air Max 95. I guess they're 70 after the discount. Alright, that's pretty much about it, you guys. There really wasn't much. Yeah, when I was looking at crazy because when I was looking at stuff that the resellers had, it wasn't even nothing exciting. But yeah, but make sure you guys check it. Like it's getting crazy. It's getting crazy with the Black Friday stuff. So, and make sure you guys keep coming to the outlets because there's gonna be all kinds of stuff. Maybe not right now, but maybe not in this trip. But yeah, I'm gonna go check out another outlet for you guys right now. Make sure if you guys like these videos, make sure you guys like this video. If you guys are new to this channel, make sure you guys press that subscribe button. Make sure you turn them notifications on so you know when I come out with new videos, because I do come out with new videos a lot, more than most. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well as being subscribed to my channel, because I do give giveaways. And you know, I think I'm gonna start announcing my giveaways on Instagram too, because yeah, you guys aren't watching my videos from the very, very beginning to the end, because I've been hiding it here and there. I've been hiding the giveaways, and so because I want to reward people who do watch all the videos. So maybe I need to be a little more explicit from now on. So yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.